Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need to resize your images in Canva for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, or website banners. In this quick tutorial, I will show you multiple ways to resize your images even with the free version of Canva. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Then click the plus icon from the left side bar, which is purple color. Then click custom size and enter custom dimensions like 1920 and 1080 pixel. Then click create design for YouTube thumbnail. You can upload your own image by clicking uploads from the left side. I will upload my thumbnail from computer like this. Wait a minute. Then drag onto your canvas and click the image. Click on the image. Then drag the corners to resize like this. Set the middle point of the canvas and resize it now. That's it. Use the wet crop handles to proportionate resizing. Click on image, select the crop from the toolbar, drag the edges to remove unwanted parts like this. Then add a color here, like add shape. Now like this. That's good. If you are a Canva Pro user, click Resize at the top of the screen. You can enter custom dimensions or choose a new format like Instagram story or blog banner. Then click Resize or copy and resize. Free users can manually create a new design and copy paste content. Like I will show you how to create a thumbnail using Canva. So first of all, create a new canvas like this, then and drag a shape onto your canvas and resize it. Select the background color like sky color. Now go to elements tab again, then select the circle shape and drag onto your canvas and adjust them like this. Now go to uploads, upload your photo, make sure your background is removed. like this. Then hold the button and resize it. Then click the flip icon. Resize the image like this. You can select the background color, black to white. Now add your text here. Click the text box and write your title here. How to make money online. Now resize the text. Select all and change the font style. Resize the text. Look like that and resize it. That's good. You can add some logo of your content like Shopify. Search for Shopify logo. Then drag onto your canvas. Look like this. Once done, just click share button. Then click download. Choose the format like PNG or high quality. JPG for smaller file size and set the image size slider if needed. Then hit download from here. Here are some quick bonus tips. Use rurals, guides, keep consistent dimensions for brand identity, try Canvas Magic Resize for social patching. Pro. Resizing in Canva is resizing in Canva is quick and easy once you know the tools like comments and subscribe for more Canva and design tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.